Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, this is Triple Play Saturday round 2. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and welcome to Triple Play Saturday round 2. Now round 2, this watch face pretty much gets you ready for the weekend, whether you're dressing down or you're dressing up and you're hitting the town. This watch face is going to go with any gear that you're going to wear for the weekend. Now, I'm liking the design. I really love the layout and the uniqueness of this watch face. The name of the watch face is called WFP0080. It has a long name. I'm gonna throw it up top on the screen, and I'm also gonna put it in the description box down below so you can go check this watch face out. If I'm not mistaken, I paid $1 in the Gear Manager store. I really believe that this watch face is worth its weight in gold, but at the end of the day, you have to be the judge of it. Now, first things first, I like the way it looks in always on mode simply because I like the way the watch face looks when it's on. Now, when it's on, it has some stylish second hand and minute hand. I really like the look. It adds a lot of character to the watch face, really brings it out a little bit more. And if you look over to the left, you got your battery gauge. I really like the layout of that one. If you come over to the right, you can see the day of the week. They have a red needle pointing at that, and it's very legible. Not too small, not too big. Matter of fact, just right. If you look down at the bottom, I do like the layout of how they give you the month and the date, and you also get some shortcuts. So if you want to go into weather, if you need to make a phone call, if you need to go into settings or your music, and they give you like a little chart to let you know exactly where to tap on to go into the different shortcuts that this watch face has to offer. I'm loving this look. I love the fact that this watch face stands out. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Triple Play Saturday round 2. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Make sure you enjoy your weekend, have fun, party like it's 1999. But most of all, you know what I'm going to say, be safe. All right, you all, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.